Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how we can find out our Windows 11 product key. Click on Start menu, then type regedit. It's called Registry Editor. Here you have to expand H key local machine and expand the software, then expand Microsoft, then scroll down. You can find Windows NT, expand current version, then click on software protection platform. On the right side you can see backup product key default. This is your Windows product key. So without any additional software you can find your product key. So dear all viewers, if you like this video, please do comments in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.